What's up, all you beautiful people? Now we continue the Shaman Whiteboard Series. I was adding something. Now, what did I add? First of all, you should drink your urine. Second of all, you should be aware that you are the fire maker. That means if you increase your capacity to burn, it doesn't freaking matter in the first place what you eat, because you're the fire, you're the alchemist. That means you burn everything down. As you can probably see, my hair is turning red, right? It turns more red. I can tell you why that is. It has something to do with the golden liquid light elixir, aka urine, aka shivambu. But second of all, it has something to do with the iron body, the steel jacket, or Paida Lajin training. That means you open up your whole system so your body is able to burn the shit, to burn the earth material that you ingest into your body, because in the end, everything that you eat is just density. If we boil it down to the things that we see, right? To the things that are just from the most general perspective seen. It's just density. It's just earth material. So it is blocking yourself, yes. So what can we do? We can increase the inner fire here to burn the shit that we ingest, all right? So then the hair is actually turning red. How can we do that? The inner fire awakes, we burn in, right? We burn everything that we have intaken. We do that with Paida, steel jacket, iron body training. Now, we have different tools. First of all, everybody has hands, right? You can just put your hands on your body and do this. This will be Paida, right? You just do this on your whole body. Then, if you want to go in a step further, you can take slappers. Slappers are these things here. You can get them online. I don't advertise any shit here, but you can just do this, right? You just do this. But then you can also go soft, and then you can go even harder, right? So you flow internally better. Now we can use a short stick, right? This is wood. Okay, this is wood. Now I will link a video on my Instagram, which I was uploading today, about iron body steel jacket training. That means you freaking make sure you warm up yourself first, all right? So you flow internally, but then you just do you heat up your body, and then you open up the meridians just via unblocking yourself, because you put pressure on your body. Now, it may seem strange in the first place. It looks maybe strange, but consider this one. Every day you move throughout this realm that we call Earth, right? You put pressure on your body. There are forces which are putting pressure, pulling and pushing onto your body. Now, if you make your body more tough, if you make your body more stable to endure that pain and that force which is putting up onto your body, you can sustain that a lot better, right? So right now, I'm putting pressure on my feet. I'm putting pressure on my hands. I'm putting pressure on the whiteboard. I'm putting pressure on the stick, right? There are so many forces right now occurring. But the moment I'm opening my body up, and the moment I'm making my nervous system more strong, the moment I'm opening my whole meridians, my internal flow state, right? I'm able to endure a lot more. And let me tell you, I couldn't barely sleep because I'm burning so much. And I'm not even like, ooh, I'm up on this diet here. I'm on the breatharian, liquidarian, fruitarian diet. I'm so up here, blah, blah, blah. I'm enlightened. Woo, woo, woo. No, I can eat. I don't recommend that. But I can eat the fucking flesh. And I fucking burn it. Why? Because my freaking fire is there. The question is your fire on? Right? And Paida, steel jacket training, right? Increases your ability to burn. So you're flowing a lot faster, you're flowing a lot better. You're opening up yourself a lot more. You're releasing a bunch of human growth hormone. You're releasing a bunch of stem cells. Guess what's happening if you have a lot of growth hormone and stem cells in your body? I'm freaking powerful. And I don't even have to, I have to lift weights, I have to fucking do the deadlifts. Deadlifts are good, squats are good. But in the first place, you are here without any tool. I don't even need that. I can use my bare hand and slap that in my fucking face. And I get energy through that. Because I'm opening up meridians. If I'm doing now tapping, if I'm putting needles on my body to open up my system, if I'm putting acupressure onto my body, which would be acupuncture, right? With needles. Acupressure, massage, Paida, or if I'm using the steel jacket training, right? It's the freaking same. Because it's opening up the meridians. The question is, how much pain can you endure? Actually, it's not pain, it's the ability to increase your electrical magnetic capacity to flux energy through your battery system. That's it. That's what's happening. Because you are the fire. You are the alchemist. You are all chemical. You are alchemizing every shit. Shit, aka earth material that you put into your body. Now you burn that and you transform that through your breath into spirit. So you release your spirit basically by doing this. Alright? So it's not about, in the first place, yeah, diet is deity. Alright? Most people don't even know that, but diet is deity. You can be breatharian, liquidarian, fruitarian, vegetarian, pescatarian, carnivore. I don't care. Do what makes you feel happy, but make sure that you burn. If you burn, you're freaking strong to do everything. And don't label yourself on a specific diet, because you are the deity. You're the God creator. Authority, right? Grow out your hair, because then you make sure that you're on your path. Not on my path, but on your path. Okay? Loop the golden liquid light elixir, aka urine, aka shivambu, aka piss, and slap yourself in the fucking face to increase the capacity of your electromagnetical being to live in this realm where the forces are putting pressure, pulling and pushing onto your body, booty, dharma wheel. Alright? You can do it. I know that. Believe in yourself. In these humble words, stay true to yourself. Have self-love. Do shivambu. If you like, go to my Instagram and check out my steel jacket iron body Paida training. I'll link that in the description down below. And maybe we see ourselves next time. Until then, slap yourself on the fucking face and be happy. Peace, y'all.